What's up guys, Jeff Fong here and welcome back to another video. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna do a review about the new Skechers D'lites 3.0 single point, which is available at Zalora till the 25th of August. So let's go. Before we start, I wanna give a big shout out to Scoop for making me as one of their ambassadors. Yan, so I'm wearing one of their jackets. Yan. As you can see, it's super good quality and yan, it's patches na siya ngayon, hindi na siya printed, and this is the details at the back. Yan, and we also have this. It's one of my personal fave. It's a reversible bucket hat. Yan. So if you wanna purchase some Scoop merch, you can use my code JeffOng. I'm gonna put it here, and you can use it at the checkout to avail 20% discount. So let's start. So yesterday I received a package from Skechers, and as what I've said, here we have Skechers X Zalora. You guys can avail this till the 25th of August. So yun, let's open it, and ooh, nice photos. Yan. I think this is taken by my good friend Ryan Agustin. Then ayan, nasulat, hi Jeff, we're excited to share with you our newest collection of chunky sneakers from the Skechers X Zalora exclusive. We think they look great on you and can't wait to see it on your next OOTD, which I will post by the way on my Instagram. So make sure to follow me at I am Jeff Ong here. There. So there. Let's start with the box. So yan. So once you've opened it, yun. So you guys see it? So nice. Yeah. So basically, as what yung naka-mention sa letter, it's a chunky sneakers, which is usong-uso ngayon, and it's a classic dad shoe. But I think the difference lang of the D'lites 2, which is yung nauso last time, and the D'lites 3 is this one, yung strap. Yan. So it's Velcro now. I chose this design because it's kind of unique, and yeah. Later I'm gonna give you guys an on-feet preview of this one. So yeah, let's start. So let's start with the front part. Yan. So it has a leather texture here. Yan. Then this one have this texture here. Then on the side it has like a, I think it's suede, black suede feel, and I super love the blue-green accent over here. Yan. And what I love about it is ito nga, yung Velcro type. And at the tongue part you can see the Skechers D'lites 3, and it has a white-green stripes over here. Then at the back part it has a Skechers, then yan, it has a logo here. Yan. Then let's look at the insoles. So for the insoles, it says Skechers Air Cooler Memory Foam. So let's try taking it out. Nakadikit pala. Sorry. So yan. Then this is the outsole. It has a green, this blue-green accent over here, which is what I like the most about the shoes, and it has a Skechers logo over here, then black and white design. So yan. Here's a quick preview of the shoes.
Over my run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. A phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eye.
And again, thanks to Scoop Community or Scoop for making me as one of your ambassadors. They will have a lot of good stuff coming up. Based from what I heard, they're gonna release a new collection by the end of August, and I think they're gonna have a collab with Krispy Kreme. Then, ayan. So, don't forget to use my code JEFFONG, that's one word lang, JFFONG at the checkout sa website. Then, you can avail na 20% discount. And that's it for this short vlog. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at IamJeffOng, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell down here, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Over my run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. A phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time.